Looking to troubleshoot car issues on your own? ANCEL AD410 Pro Enhanced OBD2 Car Scanner. Make it easier to understand and fix engine codes. Today, we're diving into a must-have tool for car owners and DIY mechanics. ANCEL AD410 Pro Enhanced OBD2 Car Scanner. If you're tired of paying for costly diagnostics, this compact tool is about to change the game for you. Let's talk about OBD. Onboard Diagnostics is an automotive electronic system which is capable of a self-diagnosis, indicating and reporting the possible problem within the vehicle. It gives you or the technician the opportunity to easily access the information about the health of your car and solve the problem. Let's break down some of its main features. Wide compatibility. Works with 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and 2000 Asian-based cars. Full OBD2 check. It is onboard diagnostic system to identify trouble codes, helping detect potential issues with the engine, transmission, emissions, and more. 6 volts to 12 volts. Battery tester. Regular battery check for optimum performance. Also, check your charging system if it's not working properly to keep your car running. DTC lookup. Use our quick and easy DTC lookup to find the meaning behind the code and get your car back on track. I/M readiness check. This feature lets you know if your car is ready for emissions testing, making it easier to identify issues that may affect your vehicle's emissions levels. Supports languages. It supports 10 different languages, making it versatile for users worldwide. Communicates seamlessly in the language that suits you best. Lifetime free update. Lifetime free update with computer and feedback online. Why you need the OBD2 code reader. Through OBD2, you can quickly scan and clear engine fault codes, fix the problem with your car, and turn off check engine light with ease. Check your car health condition frequently with the scanner to avoid breakdown in sudden on-road. Enjoy your journey. I/M readiness monitoring emission control systems perform regular checks during vehicle operation and store diagnostic trouble codes when issues are detected. Quickly get the fault codes definition. No Google search. About the code reader. Let's see where its data link connector is located. The data link connector is a 16-cavity port for connecting diagnostic tools to the vehicle's computer. Typically found within 12 inches of the dashboard center on the driver's side, some models may have it behind the ashtray or labeled elsewhere. How to use the code reader. Ensure the vehicle is turned off before starting. Locate the OBD2 port. This is typically found under the dashboard near the driver's seat, often below the steering wheel or near the footwell. The port is usually a 16-pin connector. Plug the code reader's cable into the OBD2 port. The scanner will power up once connected. Turn the key to the on position. When the display appears, select OBD2 and press the Enter button to connect to the system. Now, press Enter again to access the diagnostic menu. Press Enter button to select Read Codes. After scanning, if there are any codes, the screen will display them along with their details, so there's no need to search on Google. After noting down the codes, press the Exit button to return to the previous menu. Now, press the down arrow button and select Erase Code to clear the DTC codes. After finishing, turn off the vehicle, unplug the code reader from the OBD2 port, and turn off the reader. Battery function. Before testing, turn off all loads, remove the key, and close the doors. Connect the scanner to clamps wire. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal. From the main menu, use up and down to select battery, then press Enter. Here we got 12 points, 7 volts. Again, press Enter and select battery test. Select car, then regular flooded and CCA. If you're unsure about your battery rating, use the up arrow to go to 550 and hit Enter. Now it is starting the test. After testing, the scanner displays your battery health results. Cranking test. With this function, you can read the battery voltage in real time. Charging test. Press Charging test, and it will display. Review data. When you press Check Data, the data of the last battery test is displayed as follows. If you are interested in picking up the ANCEL AD410 Pro OBD 2-car scanner, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon.
Check compatibility with your vehicle model before purchasing. It supports 9 protocols compatible with most 1996 US-based,
2000 EU-based, and 2000 Asian-based vehicles. I am Readiness. Select I am Readiness and press Enter. I am Readiness is to test misfire, fuel, system, comprehensive component. NA means not available for this vehicle. INC means incomplete or not ready. OK means completed or monitor is ready. Data stream. Press the up or down key to select data stream from the main menu. Select View All Items and press the Enter key. The screen displays the interface shown below. Select View Graphic Items from the Data Stream menu and press Enter. Display Freeze Frame. When an emission-related error occurs, a snapshot of the current vehicle parameters is recorded by ECU. The O2 sensor test. The O2 sensor test function allows you to retrieve and display the O2 sensor monitor test results for the most recently performed tests from the vehicle's onboard computer. EVEP system test. Feedback. Transfer the data to your computer and generate the feedback file. Follow these steps. View vehicle information.
a unique set of 17 numbers and letters. Your VIN holds all kinds of information about your car.
Specifications.
Onboard diagnostic trouble codes. This list contains standard diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, that are used by some manufacturers to identify vehicle problems. Diagnostic trouble codes are how OBD2 identifies and communicates to technicians where and what onboard problems exist. The first number in the DTC indicates whether the code is an SAE generic code applies to all OBD2 systems or is specific to the vehicle manufacturer. The remaining three numbers provide information regarding the specific vehicle system and circuit.
Now we cover some of the diagnostic trouble codes.
This tool makes it easy to get insights into your car's performance, diagnose issues quickly, and even save on repair costs. The codes provide this list are generic codes that may not apply to all vehicles. Vehicle manufacturers may use manufacturer-specific DTC codes that are different from the shown codes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos on car diagnostics and maintenance. Thanks for watching.